Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. We are here today with February's Boxycharm. So let's open it on up. I actually did this look with all my products from Boxycharm. It's a little bit Galaxy Glow, and that's kind of what I got going on here. This wouldn't be my like day-to-day look because it is a little like shimmery, but it's fun for going out or just wanting to look a little extra sparkly. I could see myself using these products probably separately, maybe like not all in one, but anyhow, let's go ahead and open them on up. Let's see. First we have, it is the Cover FX Glow. It retails for $28, and this is a multi-use shimmering cream that is crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with the weightless finish of shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. I'm a kind of a fairer skin type. This worked well on me. I actually used it on my eyes along with one of the other products that came in the box, but you'll see that later. And I also put it over my lipstick. So I kind of used it all over. You can also use it on your cheeks, what have you, as like a little highlighter. So that is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. The next item in our box, Trio Brush Set by Crown. I do like them. I didn't find much use for the larger brush with the stuff in the box. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath eyes. Large brush is a powder brush. The medium brush can be used to sculpt out cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. That's why I didn't use that today, because I didn't apply my powder, but I did use a medium-sized brush for contouring, and this smaller brush a little bit on my eye. And I actually used the small brush to contour, not contour, but to highlight down my nose. So really like these. These are super nice, and this brush set retails for $29.99. I love, love, love Boxycharm. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. So our next item is the Naked Cosmetics. And this is the Holographic Highlighter Collection. Highlighter palette is so pretty. It comes with like a bunch of different colors, and with summer coming, I could totally see myself using the one that I maybe wouldn't lean towards more is the blue, but I'm sure I'll find something fun to do with that. Holographic Highlighter Palette with 6 stunning holographic shades. The highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. So this actually is very, very, very creamy consistency, pigmented, but buildable. Like it's really light pigmented, but it's buildable. And I like that in a highlighter, because sometimes you'll put on a highlighter and it's like, whoa. And I did apply my highlighter today a little bit heavier than what I normally would wear, but it was just to show off the product, obviously. So I do like it. It's actually growing on me. When I first put it on, I felt a little bit like, whoa, but I really like it. I really, really like it. Once again, this retails for $28. Such a good deal. Love, love, love. The next charm in my box is it's a Smokey Eye Pencil by Vintage. This pencil is so creamy. It was very easy to put on, and then I used another brush to kind of blend it out. And I really like this. I do like pencils. Once again, it's by Vintage Cosmetics, and this one retails for $21. The last charm in our box is by Bellapierre Cosmetics, and this is the Cosmic Glitter. It came sealed, which I love, and then it just kind of taps out, and you kind of have to tap it hard to get the product out, but I'm kind of happy with that because then you don't have glitter everywhere. And what I did is I actually took the Shimmer Veil and I put that on my eyes, and while it was still wet, I put a little bit of the Cosmic Glitter, or the Cosmetic Glitter, and this one came in Cosmic Blue, and I tapped that on with like a little damp brush. So that seemed to adhere the glitter pretty well, and it was just a nice it wasn't chunky like glitter that was all over my face. So I really like that. This one retails for $15. I don't use a lot of glitter, but it's fun to have in your makeup collection when you want to add a little extra to your look. So all in all, super happy with the products. To recap, we have the Shimmer Veil by Cover FX. We have the brush trio set, which I love my brushes when I get them in Boxycharm. Then we have Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette and the Bellapierre Cosmetic Glitter. It was a little bit of a different box, which is okay because, you know, sometimes you need to add a little extra spice in your life. It was a little bit different for a theme for Valentine's Day, but very sexy. And I definitely could see myself using pretty much most of these products. Like I said, the glitter is not an everyday thing, but I don't know. Maybe there's some people out there that wear glitter on a daily. I know my girls would love to wear glitter every day. Thanks for joining me again today. I appreciate all your love, and don't forget, if you have not subscribed, then subscribe down below. And if you like this video, then please like this video. Also, I have a link down below for you to get your own Boxycharm, and I'll also have all the products and their prices linked as well down below, so you can find all those. I hope you have a beautiful day, and see you later.